Today we're going to do my version of a one-pot Puttanesca. Puttanesca is an Italian sauce which is made out of store cupboard foods including capers, olives and chives. My version is going to be slightly different. We're going to cook it all in one pot. And here's what you're going to need. So all we need to do, a bit of olive oil. We just need that on a medium-high heat. 1 chopped red onion. And while that's gently frying, we're just going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and about the same of salt. And then we can fry this off for 3 to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we should have browned off our onions with the sugar and salt, giving a little bit of help. We're now going to add our chopped garlic. Give that a little stir. Now, what we're going to do is add our stock pot. You can use a stock cube, either way, to you. And then we're going to add 600 millilitres of water. And we're going to bring that to the boil. Now, traditionally, we'd be doing the pasta separate, but we're going to chuck ours in a second. So we can use spaghetti. I'm going to use linguine. I can't break it because someone will criticise me. Years ago, I just snap it and drop it in. I know. Right, so now we've got the linguine in there cooking away. We're going to chuck everything else in. So, a tin of chopped tomatoes. We've got the capers, traditionally would be used. Drop them in as well. Some tomatoes that have been halved. And then we're going to throw in some black olives. Optional, a teaspoon of chilli flakes just for a little bit of heat. Give that a little stir, drop a lid on, and let's leave that for 5 minutes and we'll come back to it then. Okay, so after 5 minutes, so we give that a stir, we've got rid of all the water. We're just going to knock that off now, and then we're just going to season it. Plenty of pepper, a little bit more salt, half of the Italian hard cheese. And all this is really a one-pot meal, really quick and easy to cook. Give that a stir, and then we're going to add some chopped chives. So we're going to add half of the chives. Okay, so we're all finished now. So all we've got to do is serve it up. You put a bit of rockets on the side. This will help give it a nice peppery taste. And then we're just going to serve up. And just for garnish, we've got a little bit more chopped chives. And then we've also got some more grated Italian hard cheese. Little drizzle of oil. And there we go, our one-pot Puttanesca.